August 20th, 2024, North American scrap metal prices soared on index. Harness wire. 35% recovery prices rose by 0.02 per pound. The North American copper and aluminum scrap prices surged higher on the ScrapMonster Price Index as of Tuesday, August 20th. Stainless steel, brass, and bronze scrap prices were also up on the index. In the meantime, steel scrap prices held steady on the index when matched with the day before. The price of alternator scrap held steady on the index. The price of number 1 copper wire and tubing rose by 0.04 per pound. 2 copper wire and tubing prices were also up by 0.04 cents per pound. The price of auto 1 copper bare bright went higher by 0.04 cents per pound. The prices of number 1 insulated copper wire 85% recovery edged higher by 0.02 cents per pound over the previous day. Number 2 insulated copper wire 50% recovery prices were up by 0.02 cents per pound on the index. Bar for 3 copper light copper prices edged higher by 0.04 cents per pound. Copper radiator prices were up by 0.03 cents per pound. Copper transformer scrap prices inched higher by 0.01 cent per pound over the day. Q-yokes prices too increased by 0.01 cent per pound on index. Q-al radiator ends. Prices held steady when compared with the previous day. Meanwhile, the prices of Q-al radiators and Q-al radiators fee were up by 0.11 cent per pound each on August 20th, 2024. Harness wire, 35% recovery, prices rose by 0.02 cents per pound. Heater cores prices were up by 0.02 cents per pound on index. Romex wire prices edged higher by 0.02 cents per pound over the previous day. The prices of scrap electric, motors, sealed units, starters, and XMAS lights witnessed marginal increase by 0.01 cent per pound, each from previous day price levels. Aluminum scrap prices also experienced some shifts. 1100 scrap prices increased by 0.01 per pound over the day. The prices of 3003 scrap 2 were up by 0.01 cent per pound on index. The prices of 356 aluminum wheels and 6063 extrusions Sharpie 2 surged higher by 0.01 cent per pound each. The prices of 6063 extrusions edged higher by 0.01 per pound over the day. Also, prices of 5052 scrap and 6061 extrusions inched higher by 0.02 cents per pound and 0.01 per pound respectively when compared with the previous day. The prices of ALQ radiators and ALQ radiators fee increased by 0.01 cent per pound each on the index. Aluminum radiators prices were flat over the day. Aluminum radiators at fee and aluminum transformers prices held steady. Breakage, 50% recovery prices recorded no change on August 20th, 2024. Chrome wheels were up by 0.01 cent per pound on index. EC aluminum wire prices increased by 0.02 cents per pound over the previous day. Litho sheets and MLC clips recorded surge by 0.01 cent per pound each from previous day's levels. Mixed aluminum turnings prices were flat on index. The prices of old cast and UBC soared by 0.01 cent per pound each over the previous day. Old sheet, painted siding, and Zorba 90% NF prices too were up by 0.01 per pound. Steel scrap prices. Number 1 bundle prices remained flat. The prices of number 1 busheling and number 1 HMS2 reported no change on 20th August 2024. HMS 8020 prices held steady. Sheet metal, shredded auto scrap, and structural steel also saw no change in prices when compared with the previous day. Stainless steel scrap prices. 201 stainless steel and 301 stainless steel prices were up by 0.01 per pound each on the index. 304 stainless steel solid prices too increased by 0.01 per pound over the previous day. 304 stainless steel turning prices soared by 0.01 per pound on August 20th, 2024. 309 stainless steel and 310 SS prices edged higher by 0.01 per pound and 0.02 per pound respectively on a daily basis. 330 stainless steel prices witnessed substantial increase by 0.03 per pound over the prior day. 316 stainless steel solid prices too were up by 0.01 per pound on the index. Brass bronze scrap prices. The brass bronze scrap prices in the North American region soared on the index. 70-30 brass scrap, 80-20 brass scrap, 85-15 brass scrap, and brass radiator scrap prices surged higher by 0.02 per pound each on August 20th, 2024. Brass radiator die, FE, and brass radiator ends prices were flat on the index. Red brass, yellow brass, and rod borings prices increased by 0.02 per pound on the index. Want to stay up to date on the latest scrap metal prices? Subscribe to ScrapMonster's live scrap prices today for daily updates. Need more expert advice? Visit our website for a wealth of information on scrap metal identification, sorting techniques, and market trends. Join the ScrapMonster community and maximize your scrap metal profits.